Hi, my name is Dragoș Dobre and I work at Swiss Tropical and Public Health Institute. In this video, we will look on the parameters that can be configured for the web application. So let's begin by looking on Web.config file which contains all these parameters. Start by navigating to inetpub www root openIMIS web application folder. From here, open Web.config file. In our previous videos, we saw the first parameter that is mandatory to configure and defines the database connection string. The other parameters are situated in the app settings element. Validation settings unobtrusive validation mode with the value node defines the input field validation to be done on client side through JavaScript code. Submitted folder contains the submitted images folder location. Updated folder contains the images folder location where the images are stored after they are registered in the database. Injury image delimiter represents the delimiter used in injury's image file name that allows splitting it into data fields for information extraction. Default limitation and default price origin are used in the product definition for items and services. ASP.NET Max HTTP collection keys defines the maximum number of form keys, files and JSON members that ASP.NET will accept in a request. Default claim rows defines the number of items and services rows initially displayed in enter claim form. Host is your host domain name or IP address. SMS gateway username and SMS gateway password contain the information to connect to the SMS gateway. Depending on your SMS gateway you want to use, you might need to update the send SMS escape procedure in escape.bl class. Export folder and export log folder specify the location where to export openIMIS data. From phone renewal and from phone renewal rejected specify the location where the renewal submitted from the phone and the one rejected are stored. From phone claim and from phone claim rejected specify the location where the claims submitted from the phone and the one rejected are stored. From phone feedback and from phone feedback rejected specify the location where the feedbacks received from the phone and the one rejected are stored. Password min length specifies the minimum user's password length. By default is 8 characters. Password lowercase letter and uppercase letter specify how many lower and uppercase letters you need to provide in the user's password. By default is 1 lower and 1 uppercase letter. Password number and password special symbol specify how many digits and special symbols you need to provide in the user's password. By default is 1 digit and 1 special symbol. Offline SQLite password, encryption password and RAR password correspond to the password used to secure the export data for offline usage on mobile and web application. Make sure to use the same password on the offline applications. Let us now update one of the parameters in Web.config. Let us take the default claim rows parameter with the value 5. Open your browser and navigate to localhost. Login with admin user and password admin123. Go to Claims and select Health Facility Claims. Here, add a new claim by selecting first the region, district, health facility and claim administrator. In Add Claim form, we can see the default claim rows used to display 5 rows for services and items. Next, open Web.config file and change the value for default claim rows to 7. Save the file and go back to web application. You will be asked to log in again because the Web.config file has been updated. Go to Claims, Health Facility Claims and add another claim. Now you can see 7 rows displayed for services and items.